Welcome friends, Brian here from Directus. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect the Directus native MCP to Claude Code. So we're going to start our journey inside our Directus instance, and we're going to go to the AI settings to make sure that we have enabled the MCP server. We're going to go ahead and add our AI prompts collection because we've already loaded that from a template. If you don't have an AI prompts collection, it will prompt you to create one. So we're going to save those settings. And the next thing we're going to do is go to our users. It's highly recommended we create a new user for this. In this case, I'm probably going to work with the schema locally in my development environment. So I'm going to make sure that we give it admin role access as well in my Directus instance. When you go to production, highly recommend stripping that out and using a more scoped access policy with these AI actors. All right, so with that out of the way, we've got everything we need. Then we're just going to pop over to the Directus documentation, and I'm just going to copy this one-liner, and we're going to go in and change our Directus URL. So this is going to be HTTP localhost 8055. And then I'm going to go in and we're going to copy paste that token that we generated. So I'm just going to paste that right there. We'll hit cool, added MCP server. And now we can start up Claude Code just by running the Claude command. Cool. And now we're ready, right? If I look for MCP, we can see we've got our different prompts here that are coming from the prompts collection inside our Directus instance. So I can look there, we can see those three prompts, or I can just ask it, can you tell me a little about my Directus schema? All right, this should pick up on the tools that are available through the MCP server and ask to run them for us. We can choose to always allow. Here we go. We could see some of that. Cool. And now we could see it actually calling the schema tool so we can start getting some of the information about the Directus instance. All right, so here it goes. It comes back with a summary of that. One of the other nice ways I can use this, maybe we've got a page and we want to add a new field to it. Add a new field to our pages collection for an AI generated summary. Cool. So one of the nice things about the MCP inside Directus is it does have schema tools, so we can create new fields, relationships, and even new collections inside our Directus instance, not just read those things. All right, so here's the information it's going to send. Cool. We'll allow it to do so, and then once it's done, I should just be able to hit refresh over here on the left, and we'll see that new AI summary field. There are lots more capabilities baked into the Directus MCP, but that is it for this video on how to connect to Claude Code. Stay tuned for more videos in this series.